The first cause of intergroup conflict is negative emotions. In some situations, like competitions or economics, groups may feel like winners or losers. As you might expect, winners experience positive emotions, while losers experience negative ones. According to the general aggression model, these negative emotions can lead to frustration, which can then lead to negative behaviors. For instance, when we're angry, frustrated, or jealous, we're more likely to respond aggressively. Sometimes a group lashes out at a scapegoat, like a more vulnerable one. In doing so, the aggressive group expects to feel satisfied and justified in their actions. Furthermore, when members feel hate toward an outgroup, they're more willing to try to harm its members in some way. Another cause is stereotypes, the beliefs and expectations we hold about social groups. They operate at the group level, meaning they're shared among in-group members because they're passed along from generation to generation. They tend to be exaggerated, negative, and resistant to change. The problem is they impair our ability to encode and retrieve information from memory, and bias our perceptions and judgments of others. And, in some situations, they contribute to prejudice and discrimination. According to the stereotype content model, the content of our stereotypes influences how we react to the corresponding social groups. Stereotypes can be categorized along two dimensions, warmth and competence, creating 4 groups, as shown here. High warmth groups are thought to be less competitive than low warmth groups. High competence groups are perceived to be of a higher status than low competence groups. We react with admiration toward groups we perceive to be high in both, such as our in-groups and close allies. But we react with contempt toward those seen as low in warmth and competence, like outgroups. Social groups that we see as high in competence, but low in warmth, tend to trigger envy and jealousy. And groups we think are low in competence, but high in warmth, often lead to feelings of pity,